Hey everybody, welcome to the How to PC channel. My name is Nick and today we're gonna talk about Tresorit. So today's video is a short review, and also I want to show you how to use this service. On the right side you can see the description of this service. So Tresorit is a cloud storage platform that offers functions for administration, storage, synchronization and transfer of data using end-to-end encryption. And there is also a page on Wikipedia where you can read more about this service. So history, technology, services and so on. And first of all, let's read more about it. So secure your business with encrypted cloud collaboration. You can try it for free, 14 days without limitation. Okay, it's pretty cool to try this service. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll see what the service can provide. Protect your data from breaches with encrypted cloud storage. Share files securely from your encrypted cloud with anyone. Streamline your signing process while meeting strict compliance standards. And send end-to-end encrypted emails and attachments with one click. And here you can see their ratings. So from 4.5 to 4.9. It's pretty cool. And there's also the chat button at the bottom right corner. If you click on it, you'll see the chat window where you can chat with their expert. Just click on start new conversation, type here your name and email, and click on send. And also, if you didn't find the necessary question on the main page, you can go to the frequently asked questions page. Just click right here and read more about this service here. So now the most interesting point is the pricing of this service. Let's take a look at the pricing tab. Go back to the main page, and at the very top you can see the pricing tab. Click here. Are you looking to use Tresorit for business or personal purposes? So you can select personal use or businesses. In my case, I'll select personal use. And there are only 3 plans: personal life, personal essential and personal pro. At the very top there are 2 checkboxes: billed monthly and billed annually. And as you can see, if we select billed annually, the price gets lower. Okay, and let's talk about plans. So the first plan is personal light, ideal for safeguarding your most important documents, such as tax records, insurance papers and contracts. And this plan for £4. And you can try it for free or buy now. So let's read more about this plan, because this is the cheapest one. So you will get 50 gigabytes end-to-end encrypted storage, encrypted file sharing, access on 2 devices, access from anywhere, apps for desktop and mobile, it's really cool, email and live chat support, auto camera upload, and GDPR compliant. And the next plan is personal essential for £8 per month, and there are additional 2 personal light features. And the last plan is Personal Pro. Collaborate on confidential documents with advanced permission controls, ideal for clubs, communities, or ambitious hobbyists. And this plan for £19 per month. Okay, and now let's try to create Tresorit account. To do it, you can just click on try for free. For example, for personal light plan. And now you need to type here your email address, your first name and last name. You can check this checkbox. And now you need to select billed monthly or billed yearly. For example, select billed monthly and continue to check out. And now, unfortunately, you need to fill information about your card, about your address, city, and so on. And also you can request a demo, just right here, go to the main page and click on the request a demo button right here. So let's select individual and type here my information again and click on watch demo video. And there is a short video, there you can see how this service looks like, how to use it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. I tried to show and tell you the basic things, and if this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.